Ellis discussed 6 types of corrective feedback strategies for teachers to use. He did note, however, that this isn't an exhaustive list. This is more a starting point for teachers when they want to start implementing corrective feedback in their classroom. The first type of corrective feedback he discussed was direct corrective feedback. This is basically where the teacher gives the student the actual correct form of doing something. Another type of corrective feedback was indirect corrective feedback. Now there are 2 types of this, but basically the premise is that the teacher indicates that there's a problem but doesn't necessarily give the answer or solution or correction that needs to be made. Instead, the teacher will either just indicate in general, like your error is on this page or that page, or they'll indicate there's a problem, not say what the problem is, but give a more specific location for the error. Like they might underline a sentence or 2 and say there is an error in this part, but it's still up to the student to decide what that error is. Another type of corrective feedback is reformulation. This is one that I wasn't familiar with, but Ellis describes this as a native speaker basically reworks what a student has written to make the language more like the native language of the original writer. However, the actual content and thought and meaning is still kept intact.